Everybody know this place, you know. Everybody. It's our favorite fishing spot, you know. Causeway. Yeah, today is a free day for me, so I just try coming over Causeway here.
See if we can get around the run, you swim still. Then I come back. Yeah, see you tell me. Alright, so live shrimp I did today. I hope them stay alive, you know. Alright, so live shrimp, no, nothing on artificial. I'll try this live shrimp, you know, guys. Let's see if I'm lucky. As I put down, I get a run. I'm going to see if I am lucky that way. Or if not, I am unlucky. Ah, fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Just got a snook here, so you know, man. A big one. Yeah. Wire and trouble. Nice snook. This is about what? Nice snook, you know. How much inch is this? It's about what? About 28. About, yeah. No man, bigger than 4. Fish on, man. Catch and cook style. Go measure him. No. 26, 25 and 3/4.
How much?
26. 26 inches in measure. Yeah.
Right, so we're in the kitchen now, right? You see, I just cut up the fish and thing and preparing the fish. It's getting kind of late. See, there outside kind of look a bit, getting to the evening hours now. So I want to hurry up and do this thing here. So this is the fish, cut up in some pieces. And we're going to season it with some salt, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning. Fish and all-purpose mixed together, right? And that is the fish. I might put a little bit of natural seasoning on it too, because I love the taste of natural seasoning, like some scallion and thyme and stuff like that. Yes guys, so we're using some all-purpose seasoning right here. Hurry up and do this thing here. All-purpose, fish and all-purpose mixed together. Quite a lot. I'll put a little bit of black pepper on it. Black pepper. Not too much. And a little salt. Not too much salt, because some salt already in the all-purpose. So a little bit of salt in it. Even though this fish kind of fresh sometimes. Alright, that is it. Alright, so that's what we have there. So now for the natural seasoning, now we have a little bit of thyme. So we're gonna just shell the thyme like this in there. Leaf, that's a leaf I want in there. Alright? Just a leaf like that. Don't want a lot. Oops. Alright, so put it aside. Then for the scallion now, we call it scallion and escallion and all kind of things, So just going to cut it up. Cut it up like that. And you kind of mash it up, because when you mash it up, you get most of the a lot of this seasoning smell and taste. Make it marinate into the fish. Alright, see here now, crush it up. Put it on the fish like that. Right. You know what is missing? Some garlic powder. So this is the garlic powder. I have some garlic powder here in the guys. See there? Put it and put it in there right now. Can work same way. Garlic powder, see there? Yeah. Love the taste of garlic too, yeah man. Nice. Seasoning up nice. Right. And then we're just going to mix this up, right? I'm not going to use my hand, so I don't like using my hand, so mix it up like that. Mix it up. Yeah, mix it up, man. Don't I want some more all-purpose seasoning? Wait a little. It's alright. Because I'm going to put this down to marinate for about 10 minutes, guys. Because I want the natural seasoning to soak in the meat. Remember, this is Snook, Snook. Right, so I want it to soak in the Snook, soak in there. Yeah. So this is the water, it's boiling. So we're going to put the crackers in there now and turn it off. And let it soak for about 8 minutes. Right, so that is what we have. When you put the crackers in there, we'll just let it cover it and let it soak for 8 minutes. So that is what we want to do now. Look at that, guys, steamed crackers. That's how it looks. Looks delicious, Yeah man. That on the fish, supposed to taste nice. But we soon come back. Nice. And the fish is all done too. Look at this. Whoa. Beautiful. Look at that, man. Alright, let us put this thing together now. Right. So we put up the crackers right here. Don't want too much, you know, because kind of colliding sometimes, you know, but this is the crackers, you know. Just put a little bit of butter in there. And that's what we have, you know. That's it now. And then put this aside. So I'm going to take this piece. Beautiful. You know what? I'm going to put something on the side, you know. You know this thing here? Avocado, or we call it pear in Jamaica. I love this thing, you know. So I set up my dinner nice. Let's put that down. Let's put this down right here, so because we're going to give everybody a piece. Alright, so wow, looking great. Alright guys, so let us sit down and enjoy this now. Yeah. Yes man, this is it. See there? Nice one. Alright, let us taste this one now and see how it tastes. Must taste good enough because me cook it. Alright, let me see now. Crackers look soft and nice still. Nice, no. Fish nice, white and pretty. Yeah man, tastes good, tastes good. You must try this now guys, try this Snook. Yeah man. Yeah man, tasting good. Okra. Yeah man, everything cooked. Captain Snook come and take out his share man, don't worry about him, you'll see him in the next video. Maybe he'll do the next catch and cook. I never can tell, but I'm planning to do a catch and cook on Jack Craval, so look out for that one. Alright guys, if you like this video, now shoot us a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit that notification bell right under the screen there. Every time you upload a video, you'll get that video. And as always, thanks for watching. Fish on.